Hello everybody, welcome to this Elite Weather Special Report. My name is Mr. G, as we're going to be talking about very dangerous storm system that's going to be moving across the nation's midsection tomorrow. It's going to be spreading snow from the northern plains in the upper Mississippi Valley to severe weather down across the lower Mississippi Valley and into the Gulf Coast tomorrow. So here's our setup. As we can see, a very strong jet stream coming in, this trough that's coming through the middle of America. So we have this strong trough that's digging way down to the Oklahoma and to North Texas. This is the jet stream coming in, and that jet stream is pulling up all of these strong winds. So we're going to be seeing strong winds down here across the deep south, East Texas, Arkansas, into Louisiana, Oklahoma as well. But Mississippi, right in this region, we're going to really see a pretty strong tornado outbreak is going to be possible. So we got the jet stream digs to the southeast Tuesday. So a very deep jet stream there, and that's going to really provide some of the energy that we're going to be seeing from that severe weather outbreak on your day Tuesday, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. Now, as our next map, as you can see, that warm, moist air coming up off of the Gulf of Mexico is being sent to the north, but we have this cold front coming from the west that's going to be moving through Texas and Arkansas, and that cold front is going to be that cold air that's going to be bringing that snow through Minnesota and Wisconsin. That's that leading edge of that colder air coming down out of Canada, colliding with this warm, moist Gulf of Mexico air, and that too, that combination together is going to lead to that severe weather tomorrow evening across the deep south. And as we take a look at what our threats are going to be out there, and we're going to be seeing a significant severe weather outbreak here through northern Mississippi, southeastern Arkansas, northeastern Louisiana, but we're going to be seeing severe weather likely as well, and we have a very likely and we have a likely, so a very big severe weather outbreak is going to be taking place across the deep south tomorrow in Dixieland. So Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana, East Texas, Alabama, in far northwestern Georgia, Tennessee, Kentucky, southern Indiana, southern Illinois can all see some of this severe weather that we're going to be seeing down there across the deep south tomorrow. So, and we're also going to be seeing a tornado threat tomorrow. So we have a significant tornado threat possible. We can see numerous large tornadoes. The potential for EF2 tornadoes is going to also be there. So strong to very strong tornadoes possible down here, especially over northern and central Mississippi. So a very busy day for the storm chasers down there. I'm sure Reed Timmer is going to be down there tomorrow chasing those storms out there for you folks to keep everybody in the know and up-to-date information onto what the situation is on the ground. And here we are to talk about that heavy rain that's also going to take place. So we have a pretty likely severe flash flood threat down here across the deep south, as well as we can see several inches of rainfall come down in a very short period of time. So that is going to be leading to some flooding and flash flooding concerns as well. And after tomorrow, that severe weather threat moves a little bit to the east on Wednesday. We'll have another video as more details of what this is going to look like comes to light as the models kind of pick this up and kind of organize this thing. So in my next video, we're going to be talking about that severe weather threat. We're going to be seeing across southeastern Alabama, western Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and into Virginia as well. So that severe weather is going to continue and make its way to the east. Now, and we're going to here is the look at the current radar, and you can see those thunderstorms out over the Gulf of Mexico down here. You can see those lightning strikes down there. So we are seeing that starting to come together. And here is our snowstorm starting to take shape across the northern plains. So North and South Dakota, Wyoming, and through Utah and Idaho, we're seeing that snow today as that frontal system is, oh, excuse me, Yes, there we go. I'm doing battle with this cold, but I'm gonna get you guys this weather forecast because this is a very serious weather situation that we're dealing with here. So we're gonna see a very sloppy, snowy situation across the northern end of this storm. So here we are here is our winter weather alerts that we're gonna be seeing across the Midwest tomorrow. We have our winter weather advisory. So this is for less than 6 inches of snow. And this is going to be southwestern Minnesota, northeastern Iowa, southeastern Nebraska, South Dakota. So Sioux Falls, and we're talking about we're right about where. We got northeastern Nebraska and Omaha right there. That's the city I'm trying to think of. Omaha, Nebraska, and we have that winter weather advisory. Now here in northern Wisconsin, we have our winter storm watch. Now I'm anticipating that winter storm watch to come a little bit further south, to be extended further south and into eastern Minnesota to about the Twin Cities area. There is my voice getting ready to give out on me, but as it moves into the Twin Cities area, I'm expecting to see a winter storm watch, or at least a high winter weather advisory across that region tomorrow. So there's nothing here right now, but I'm pretty sure that's going to change in the hours to come. And here we are as we take a look at the snow forecast, looking at the Rockies. So this is where our storm is originating from, coming down from, and we're seeing that snow here, and we're picking up as much as 12 to 18 inches of snow through some portions of the mountains out here, and we're going to be seeing that snow really gather itself together and head out across the central and northern plains and into the Midwest area, in the upper Midwest of Minnesota and Wisconsin. All right. Here is our central area rain and snowfall. We're looking at a high forecast tomorrow of 32 degrees. In Minneapolis, we're going to be seeing that snow. Snow in Sioux Falls. Cedar Rapids, going to be seeing that snow. Green Bay as well. So snow all over the Midwest tomorrow. But we will start to see that snow in across the portions of northern Minnesota, northwestern Minnesota, Fargo, Bismarck. You guys are going to be seeing those teens and 20s for highs, as well as Pierre and Rapid City, but the snow will come to an end for you folks as that storm heads on off to the east there, east and southeast. All right, here we go with your snow forecast for tomorrow. And in the Twin Cities, I'm thinking we're going to pick about 4 to 5 inches of snow. The heavier snow bands, I think, are going to set up just to the southeast of the Twin Cities through Dakota County, so Lakeville and some of the southeastern metro, southeastern Minnesota here through Austin, and where Rochester is, might see some of those heavier snow bands, as well as into northern Wisconsin here, in like New Hayward and Superior, could pick up about 10 inches of snow for your area. So we're going to be seeing quite a bit of snow coming down from this storm system. And there you can probably hear my voice quivering, because I'm running out of steam here, so we're going to get ready to wrap this up. But I just want everybody to be on the lookout and be kind of knowing what's going on. Okay, I guess that's the end of our forecast there. But I just want you guys to know a snowy mess across Minnesota and Wisconsin and through the central plain states tomorrow as well. And that severe weather down there in Mississippi and the deep south. So a very busy day tomorrow for the weather forecasters and our first responders and the city emergency management and county emergency management folks is going to be dealing with a tornado outbreak, heavy rains and flooding, hail. So all facets of severe weather will be seen down across the south tomorrow through Mississippi, Alabama, Kentucky, Tennessee, Arkansas, Louisiana, East Texas. So if you're in that deep south, the Ozarks, the lower Mississippi River Valley, you're going to be dealing with that very busy and severe weather day today or tomorrow. So please pay attention to your local weather forecasts and everything like that. And if there's anything that is, I'm probably going to take the day off from work again tomorrow. If I don't In fact, I feel like I'm more sick today than I have been. So I'm probably going to stay home tomorrow and monitor this weather situation for you guys. So if anything happens, I'll get on here and make a video for you. Or maybe even do a live. So maybe, we'll see. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And just so you already know, and please stay tuned for the next video and pay attention to your weather forecast if you're in the deep south or in the northern plains. Alright guys, bye bye.